Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss about joining process. Okay, content of today's lecture uh, uh, is introduction to joining and assembling process, and after that we discuss about gas welding process. Uh, First, most of the product consists of multiple parts that are assembled to form the finished product. Okay, so any many product like any car, any bike, even your laptop, which is consist of what different components. So we need to assemble it first. uh, After assembling, we'll get the final product as a laptop, as a bike, as a car. So we need to get final product. We need what different type of joining process. Basically, we use like mechanical fastening process, different welding process, maybe fusion welding process, uh, different type of fusion welding process, soldering or brazing process, or maybe adhesive bonding. It depends upon which type of component you are going to join or assemble it. Now, we collect first. We classify the joining process. Okay? We can classify the joining process first into broad sense. One is mechanical bonding type, and second is atomic level bonding type. Okay, in mechanical bonding, it may be permanent, or it may be temporary or semi-permanent. So, like temporary, like when we use a screw, nut, bolt, keel, these are the temporary joining process, temporary mechanical fastening process. When we use rivet, stitches, staple, shrink fit, these are like permanent joining process. So through mechanical bonding, we can join either temporary or permanent of different components. Second is atomic bonding type. Okay. It can be divided in three category. One is solid state bonding. Uh, Second one is liquid state bonding, and third one is liquid solid state bonding. In solid state bonding, examples are cold welding process, friction welding process, diffusion welding process, and hot and forge welding process. Okay. In liquid state bonding, also called fusion welding process, where when we need what molten pool of liquid at the interface to join different component. If you want to join, you have to use what heat source to develop a molten pool at the interface. After solidification, it can join the two components. So again, it can be two nature. One is electrical type, another is what chemical type. Okay. Under electrical type, the all arc welding are electrical type fusion welding process. Another example of electrical type is induction welding process, resistance welding process. So these are the example of electrical fusion welding process. Under chemical fusion welding process, very famous gas welding process, oxyacetylene welding process is the example of chemical welding process through chemical reaction. When acetylene bond with oxygen, in presence of oxygen, it can produce what hot gases, okay, hot flue gases, which can produce huge amount of heat, which can produce huge amount of temperature, so that we can weld it different parts. So through chemical reaction, it can produce heat. So another example is thermite welding. So these are the classification of joining process, welding process. Now we can understand this another different type of joining process like mechanical fastening with example. Basically, in mechanical fastening process, it use physical force to hold the part together. Okay. For this purpose, it use mechanical fastener or part design like the screw, bolt, nails, rivet, cutter, clip. This type of mechanical fastener basically used in mechanical fastening to join different components, to assemble different components. So this figure shows that one is nut bolt, this one is a keel, nail. Another is welding process, fusion welding process. Another is welding process. In this process, it use heat, pressure, or both to join the parts permanently. Okay, examples what it's showing: gas welding, arc welding, stud welding, spot welding, forge welding, resistance welding, induction welding. These are the examples. Uh, uh, these are the examples of welding process. It may be fusion welding process like gas welding, arc welding, induction welding. These are the fusion welding process. These are the pictorial diagram. It shows the one man doing different welding processes. Another joining process is adhesive bonding process. Okay. In this process, bonding of adjoining surface by filling the gap between each surface with a bonding material. Okay, these bonding material for adhesive bonding we use glue, cement, thermoplastic, thermosetting, and elastomers. Different elastomers. Basically, we use different type of these component to join the what different material, different components. Okay, like plastic component, we use now Fevikwik glues to join different plastic components very easily. So these are the adhesive bonding process. Another is very important soldering and brazing process. Okay, uh, another is soldering and brazing process. In operation in which metal surface are bonded together by an alloy. Okay, uh, uh, heated molten alloy flow between the adjoining surface. So after that, heat is removed, so molten metal solidified and metal surface get bonded. So different type of resistors. Even in a motherboard, different type of resistors, different type of components on motherboard. It can be joined by using soldering process. Okay, soldering bridging processes. Now, application of welding process. This welding process has wide range of application. Even in all automobile construction, we use different type of welding process. Railroad equipment, we use different type of welding process. In ship, aircraft construction, even in building construction, we use different type of welding process. You may be seen in they use gas welding, they use arc welding. Uh, in bridge construction, pressure vessel, a storage tank, piping, pipelines, fabrication of jigs and fixture, machine tools, repair of broken and damaged parts, material handling equipments. Uh, so it has wide range of applications. So it's very important topic from engineering point of view. Every engineer should know about different type of welding process, different type of joining process.